Welcome to my channel, great people, and welcome to the Binance Complete Guide tutorial. In this video, I will take you through the step-by-step guide on how to create an account, deposit fund, transfer fund from one platform to the other, buy, sell, and transfer crypto. And at the end of this tutorial, you would be able to use all the necessary features within this platform. I will do my possible best to simplify and unpack the platform. Today, I will suggest a cup of coffee, and I think you already know why. Okay, now, subscribe. That said, let me also inform you that the Binance platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Okay, now, what you want to do first is to create an account from this page, and it is very straightforward. You will be asked to provide proof of identification. And I will strongly recommend a strong password and set up the two-factor authentication for your own security. I have created an account and I will not go through the process again. Now I'm logged into my account, and as you can see on the left hand corner of the screen, we have topics like buy crypto, market, trade, derivatives and finance. Looking closely, you see they all have drop-down menu. Meaning, the platform is well packed. Okay, now, let us start to explore the platform by depositing money and buy crypto. Okay, first thing you want to do is place your mouse here on trade, then click on advanced tab. Another window will pop up. It will redirect you to this window, which is already loading up. And then on the left hand corner, move your mouse to say here. Then let's say, for instance, I want to buy Cardano. Okay, and I know the ticker symbol for Cardano is ADA. Well, I click on Cardano and then it pops up here. Well, for those who do not know, if you don't know the ticker symbol of any crypto, I have the solution. There's this website that is very handy. It is called CoinMarketCap. All you need to do is to go there, type in Cardano as I do, as I'm going to do now, Cardano, and voila, it pops up. We have Cardano and the ticker symbol. That's it. Now let's go back here and let's quickly explore here. Now, what do we have here? We have just like the other book here. And if you look closely at the other book, you see we have the red numbers and the green numbers. Well, the red numbers are the sellers. And if you look again closely at the bottom, it's cheaper. Up here, it's expensive. So, meaning, if I choose here, I get a good bargain. Okay, hold on to that. Now, let us look at the place order section. This section here. Now, what do we have here? You see, within the place order, we have the limit button we can press. With the limit order, you get a good bargain. You can come here, click, it translates here, and input what you want to buy, number of things you want to buy. Well, with the limit order, you get good bargain. Why? Because it won't get filled immediately. It could be at the end of the day. However, you can monitor things from here. Look at here, order history, trade, funds, open order. That's it. Now, with the market order, this is a bit faster, but there's a price to pay. Could be expensive. Obviously, it's expensive. And it gets filled quickly as soon as you click on this. Fine. Now, that's it. Let me get rid of this and then try to place some order here. Fine. Now, what do we have here? Okay, let us make some purchase by using the limit order. Now, let's click here. Remember, I said if you click here, you get good bargain. Let me click here. And let's say I want to buy 20 worth of Ether, 20 pound worth of Ether. See, as I input this, the algorithm here within the platform set to work. It translates, it tells me how much of this I will get, USDT I will get. Fine. How much of Ether I will get rather. Now, look at what happened. What I will do here is I'm going to click deposit. When I click deposit, it's going to redirect you to another window platform rather. Well, I'm buying with fiat money for now. We have two options here though, crypto and fiat. So I'm buying with fiat money. Now, what do I do here? Remember, I said I want 20 pound worth of Ether. Let's put 20 pound. What do we have? We have, if you look at the left-hand corner, it tells me how much I'm going to be charged. And then if you look at the right corner here, you see that my account details already is displaying my account details because I already linked it while I was creating this account. Same thing will happen to you. Now, looking closely again, you will realize that I've been charged 336 pence thereabout, and I'm left with 19 pound 64. Meaning, I will only get 19 pound 64 worth of Ether. And what I need to do is to click continue, confirm, and I'm done. Well, I'm not going to do that. You know what to do. Now, moving on. Now, let us explore how we can deposit and withdraw crypto asset from your Binance account into another platform or wallet. First, let us demonstrate how to transfer crypto from another platform onto your Binance account. To do this, go to wallet, overview, and then click it. It will take you to this window. Now, click on deposit. What do we have here? We have deposit crypto. Click on it. Now, you see, this is becoming very tricky. Be careful here, pay attention. Now, click on the down arrow here. Let's say for this purpose, we are choosing USDT. Okay, now if you see, this is highlighted. These are all the network. This is highlighted, and this is the wallet addresses. So pay attention here because it's a bit technical. Now, stay with me. Pay attention. You can't transfer your asset to an unsupported network. What do I mean? It means if you transfer your asset to a different network, your money is gone. Here's a good example. You see the BEP220, look at it. Share the same address with ERC20. They are very similar. Make sure you select the supported network because if you don't, you will lose your money. I think gone forever. Okay, now I'm convinced my explanation is clear and you're able to decode my message. Hence, you know how it works. Okay, let's say you have chosen the correct network address. The supported address. Remember, we have chosen this with this, which is the USDT on this network, on this address, network on this address. And then go to wallet again. Okay, go to overview, and then what do we do? Okay, we'll let it populate. In this case, you want to click on withdraw. Now, remember, for the purpose of this exercise, we have chosen USDT. Click on it, and then remember we copied address before. If you remember, place it there, and we are on this network. That's it. Then let's say we also we want to buy 40, for instance, or thereabout. Let's say 50. Now, what happened? It tells us how much we're going to get for this amount. All you need to do is click withdraw. The cryptocurrency will be added to your balance. The confirmation usually takes a few minutes. It all depends anyway. That said, you will agree with me that Binance platform is very dynamic, robust, loaded with many useful features. And I can't cover all this in just one video. I will produce more videos with time. Stay tuned. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers. Thanks a million for those who already subscribed. The goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and then create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.